Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of adorable crochet fingerless gloves. These cozy accessories are perfect for chilly days, and with a little creativity you will make them as unique as you are. Let's start with the basic fingerless gloves are typical worked in the round. We will begin by creating a foundation chain and then working row of single crochet to form the cuff. From there, we will gradually increase the number of stitches to create the hand portion. Don't forget or worry if the seam is a bit tricky at first. With a little practice, you can be crocheting like a pro. From the fun part, let's add some personality to our fingerless gloves. We can add playful pom-pom to the cuff, attach cute buttons or even embroidery fun designs like flowers or animals. Get creative and let your imagination run wild. Need some inspiration? Here are a few adorable designs to get you started. How about a pair of cat themed gloves with whiskers and ears, or maybe some heart shaped gloves for Valentine's Day? The possibilities are endless. Here are a few tips to help you create the perfect pair of fingerless gloves. Choose a yarn that's warm and cozy. Choose the yarn that's warm and cozy. Use stitch marker to keep track your stitch, and don't forget to block your finished gloves to give them polished look. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to create your own unique pair of fingerless gloves. Don't forget to share your creation with me in the comment section below. Happy crochet! All these designs are very good. If you like them, hit the like button of the video and do subscribe my channel for more interesting ideas like this. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.